This year, scammers are leveling up with new tactics that are slick, sophisticated, and shockingly profitable. Today, and for educational purposes only, we're exposing the 10 most profitable scams of 2025, so you wouldn't fall victim for them. And to help you stay ahead of the game, stick around, because what you don't know will cost you. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Number 1. Extortion scams. Deepfakes are synthetic media, generated by artificial intelligence, often involving the manipulation of images, videos, or audio to depict something that never happened, or someone saying something they never said. Scammers use AI-generated deepfake videos, or audio recordings, to fabricate evidence of a victim engaging in illicit activities, making him at risk of legal punishment. They then demand money, in exchange for not releasing the falsified content. Number 2. Peer-to-peer payments fraud. Peer-to-peer payment methods such as Venmo or PayPal are a common way of completing transactions in a quick and seamless manner. Along with the convenience, scammers have found a few methods to make money of their targets. They bypass multi-factor authentication measures by posing as financial institutions or the fraud department, so that targeted individuals can accidentally share verification codes for logins when they're requested. Another way is that they send their targets an overpayment and later request the difference between the initial and extra amount back. The catch here is that the surplus payments are actually counterfeit and cannot be deposited, so victims ultimately lose money. Number 3. QR code scams. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, the use of QR codes increased as demand for contactless options grew. Their speed and convenience made many tasks easier, including the ability to make payments or access information within a matter of seconds. However, cybercriminals have capitalized on this emerging technology to initiate a sequence of QR code-based phishing attacks, also known as quishing. A recent study indicates that there was a 587% rise in quishing since, and due to it being new, it increased the likelihood of successful attacks. Deceitful QR code images are generally less obvious and harder to detect, both by people and traditional email security tools. Number 4. Job listing scams. With the influx of job seekers in today's market, employment scams are on the rise, impacting a lot of unsuspecting applicants. Most common tactic in this area include cybercriminals posing as recruiters and asking candidates to transfer money for the purchase of remote work equipment, with a guarantee that they'll be reimbursed after receiving their first paycheck. This should serve as a red flag, as most companies will provide work-from-home employees with the necessary supplies. Also, unsolicited job offers on sites like LinkedIn can be recruitment scams in disguise, and are merely attempts to get money or access data. Number 5. Student loan forgiveness scams. Fraudsters put pressure on their victims with fake messages to apply for debt relief before it's too late, and charge a big application fee. Scammers know people want to believe their student loans will be forgiven, and they'll use that hope for personal gains. In reality, it costs nothing to apply for student loan forgiveness, and the U.S. Department of Education won't contact you by phone. They may also contact you via phone or create phony application sites aimed at stealing your social security number or bank account info. Number 6. Fraudulent Chad GPT app scams. Just like any major tech craze, if people are talking about it and searching for it, scammers are going to leverage it. Chad GPT is a prime example. A plethora of Chad GPT adjacent apps are on the rise, and they provide a free program with limited functionality, and then bombard users with in-app ads until they sign up for an overpriced subscription. Using a combination of advertising within and outside of the app stores, and fake reviews that game the rating systems of the stores, the developers of these misleading apps are able to lure unsuspecting device users into downloading them. One fake Chad GPT app which offers $7 a week, or $70 a year subscriptions, managed to make $1 million over a monthly period. Number 7. Cryptocurrency scams. The cryptocurrency frenzy might have died down, but that hasn't slowed down the scammers. They can take different forms, and they may involve fake prizes, contests, giveaways or early investment opportunities. The scammers may impersonate celebrities via AI, or popular crypto websites, to lure victims into sending them money to invest in a project. Cryptocurrencies can be harder to track and cancel than other forms of payment, which can leave you stuck without recourse. Number 8. AI romance scams. Artificial intelligence is also being used to trick hopeless romantics out of their hard-earned cash. While romance scams are nothing new, bad actors have begun using AI-generated photos to lure in punters on dating apps. AI romance scammers mimic human interaction in text and video messages, use various methods to extort victims out of their money. Some cases involve bogus investment schemes, while others claim to have financial difficulties and ask targets to cover their expenses. According to a report from ABC Chicago, a man was duped out of $2,000 to cover a wide range of false expenses from airfares to babysitters. Another victim transferred $60,000 to a catfish after being convinced her uncle was on the board of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Number 9. Foreclosure relief scam. Homeowners who fall on hard times and get behind on their mortgage payments can become desperate to save their homes. That's when fraudsters, using public records of homes in foreclosure, swoop in with offers of relief to capitalize on the victim's vulnerability. Some might say they're affiliated with the government or government housing assistance programs to add some sense of legitimacy. Scammers will claim that they can help homeowners reduce their mortgage payments for a large, upfront fee. Although many banks have taken additional steps to help distressed borrowers, criminals can still capitalize on fear. This includes offering to negotiate with your lender for a fee, or asking you to pay them directly while they sort out your situation. Number 10. Crypto recovery scams. It targets people who already lost money in a cryptocurrency scam, so they come in, promising a quick fix to the devastating loss. But the only result is more money lost in a scam, tailored to prey on previous victims, and here's how it works. After falling victim to a cryptocurrency scam, you share your story online to warn others or look for solutions. Someone reaches out over social media, or in the comment section of your post, and claims to be able to recover stolen cryptocurrency. Fraudsters often post their success stories to add legitimacy to scam crypto recovery services. To process your refund, they'll ask you to pay an upfront fee, then disappear with your money. Or they will request sensitive information that gives them access to your crypto wallet and drain it. But the real question is, are there scams that make money but are completely legal? Click this video to find out. These are strategies that look risky but keep you 100% in the clear. It's the kind of knowledge that could completely change your approach to making money.